Welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be exploring fascinating facts about an animal. Sloth. Sloths only poop once a week. Their slow metabolism and low energy diet contribute to their infrequent bathroom habits. Sloths spend most of their lives hanging upside down in trees and can even sleep in that position. Sloths have algae growing on their fur, giving them a greenish appearance that helps with camouflage. That's all for now. Remember, stay wild and please subscribe. Welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be exploring fascinating facts about an animal. Penguin. Penguins propose to their mates with a pebble. Male penguins search for the smoothest pebble to offer their potential partners as a token of love. Penguins have a gland above their eyes that filters salt water, allowing them to drink seawater if fresh water is not available. Penguins are excellent swimmers and can dive to depths of up to 1,750 feet 535 meters to catch their prey. That's all for now. Remember, stay wild and please subscribe. Welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be exploring fascinating facts about an animal. Elephant. Elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. They are one of the few animals that demonstrate self-awareness. Elephants have a gestation period of around 22 months, making it the longest pregnancy of any mammal. Elephants have a strong social structure and display emotions such as grief and joy. They even have been observed mourning their deceased companions. That's all for now. Remember, stay wild and please subscribe. Welcome to today's video. Today, we'll be exploring fascinating facts about an animal. Dolphin. Dolphins have names for each other. They use unique signature whistles to identify and call out to individual members of their pod. Dolphins are highly social animals and often display acts of cooperation and altruism towards each other. Dolphins have a playful nature and are known to surf on waves and ride the bow waves created by boats. That's all for now. Remember, stay wild and please subscribe.
Welcome to today's video. We'll be exploring fascinating facts about an animal. Cheetah. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, capable of reaching speeds up to 70 miles per hour, 113 kilometers per hour in just a few seconds. Unlike other big cats, cheetahs cannot roar. Instead, they communicate through a variety of vocalizations, including purring and chirping sounds. Cheetahs have distinct ear marks, running from the inner corners of their eyes down to the sides of their mouth, which may help protect their eyes from the sun's glare. That's all for now. Please subscribe. Welcome to today's video. We'll be exploring fascinating facts about an animal. Octopus. Octopuses have 3 hearts. 2 hearts pump blood to the gills, while the third heart circulates blood to the rest of the body. Octopuses are masters of camouflage and can change the color and texture of their skin to blend seamlessly with their surroundings. Octopuses have a remarkable ability to squeeze through small openings and escape from enclosures, thanks to their soft and flexible bodies. That's all for now. Please subscribe.